Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. I am Ganesh Rao, lecturer in accountancy. I am continuing the previous video. Purchase goods from Mohan rupees 40,000 on credit. What is there? Goods are there. In case of goods, check, cash or credit. On credit is there. A credit transaction. In credit transaction, party name will comes first for a work. Mohan. And what we are doing? We are purchasing. Purchases. Who is Mohan? Mohan, question mark to your mind. Is a supplier. Supplier in accountancy, it is called a creditor. Creditor comes in liabilities. Purchases comes in expenses. Concentrate on Mohan. Due to Mohan or due from Mohan, when we are purchasing goods from Mohan on credit, is a due to Mohan. Due to Mohan is a liability. Our liability is increasing or decreasing. Our liability is increasing. Increase in the liability is credited. Now purchases. Purchases comes in expenses. Every purchase of goods is an expense. Our expense is what? Our expense is increasing. Increase in the expenses is debited. Now next transaction. Goods returned to Mohan rupees 1,000. What is it? Goods are returning to Mohan. Why? Because some goods may be damaged. That is why we are returning goods to whom? Returning goods to our supplier. Goods returned to supplier is nothing but purchases returns. Purchases. Generally, purchase returns are undertaken in case of what? In case of credit transaction of purchase of goods. In that credit purchase of goods, we are returning goods to whom? Returning goods to the supplier. Now, goods returned to supplier. Goods returned to Mohan. Party name? Mohan. And what? Purchases returns. Mohan, question mark to your mind. Who is Mohan? We are returning when? We are returning goods to our supplier. So he is our supplier. Supplier is nothing but creditor. Creditor comes in liability. Liabilities. Purchase returns comes in purchases. Purchases comes in expenses. Now concentrate on Mohan. Already we purchased goods from where? Purchased goods from Mohan. And now we are returning goods to whom? Returning goods to Mohan. Due to Mohan is reducing or increasing. We already what? We already purchased from him. Now we are returning goods. At time of purchases, due to Mohan is increased. Now we are returning goods to Mohan. Due to Mohan is decreasing. Decreasing. So decreasing. Decrease in the liability is what? Decrease in the liability is debited. Purchase return. Purchase return comes in purchases. It reduces purchases. Reduces purchases. So purchase comes in what? Purchase comes in expenses. Our expenses is what? Our expenses is reducing. Reducing the expenses is credited. Is credited. So purchase return account is credited and Mohan account is what? Mohan account is debited. Now you take another transaction. Now sold goods to Suresh on credit rupees 50,000. Goods are there. It is necessary to check cash or credit. On credit is there. It is a credit transaction. In credit transaction, what comes first for refer? Party name Suresh. Generally, we are selling goods to whom? Our customer. Customer is nothing but debtor. Debtor comes in asset. And now we are selling. What we are doing? We are selling the goods. Sales. Sales comes in income. Gain. Income. Now concentrate on Suresh. Who is Suresh? Suresh is what? Suresh is our customer, debtor. So due from Suresh or due to Suresh, when we are selling goods to Suresh on credit, we sold goods on credit. Amount received or not received? Not received. Due from Suresh. Due from Suresh is asset. Our asset is increasing or decreasing? Our asset is what? Our asset is increasing. Increase in the asset is what? Increase in the asset is debited. Now sales comes in income. Sale of goods is income. Our income is increasing or decreasing? Our income is what? Our income is increasing by means of selling the good. Our income is increasing. Increase in the income is what? Is credited. Sales account is credited and Suresh account is what? Suresh account is debited. Now Suresh returned goods. Suresh returned goods rupees 5,000. We already sold goods to Suresh. Now at present Suresh is returning goods because he received some damaged goods from us. So he decided to return the goods. It is called a sales return. So sales returns and party name, what is it? Suresh. Sales return comes in what? Sales return comes in sales. It reduces what? It reduces sales. Sales comes in what? Sales comes in income. Suresh. Who is Suresh? Suresh is our customer. Customer is also known as debtor. Debtor comes in what? Debtor comes in asset. We already sold goods to Suresh. It is due from where? It is due from Suresh. Now he is returning goods to us. Means due from him is reducing. He is adjusting and what is it? Reducing. Due from him is reducing. Reduce in the asset is what? Is credited. Now sales return comes in sales. It reduces sales. Sales comes in income. Our income is automatically decreasing. Decrease in the income is what? Debited. So what is it? Sales return account is debited and Suresh account is what? Suresh account is credited. I am continuing this topic in next video. Thank you, my students.